Hello friends, welcome back to another video from Chef Joji. Today's recipe is a traditional breadfruit curry from Kerala. To prepare this curry, we've washed and cut one breadfruit into small pieces. Now we need to prepare a roasted coconut paste. For that, take 1.5 cups of grated coconut in a frying pan. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1 teaspoon of garlic. Chop 4 small shallots and add them too. Also, add 1 sprig of curry leaves. Now turn on the stove and roast this mixture well. Once the coconut is roasted to a nice golden brown, grind it into a fine paste. Let's now prepare the breadfruit curry. Place a pot on the stove and heat it. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, add 2 green chilies, sliced lengthwise. Add 8 chopped shallots and sauté well. When the shallots begin to soften, add the cut breadfruit pieces. Mix everything gently. There's no need to overcook at this stage. Now add the following spice powders. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon meat masala powder, 1/2 teaspoon pepper powder. Mix everything thoroughly. When the spices are roasted, add about 1.5 glasses of water. Also add salt to taste. Mix well again. Cover and cook on medium flame for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid. Our breadfruit is well cooked now. Now add the roasted coconut paste we prepared earlier. Mix well. Add enough water for the curry consistency you prefer. Cover and cook for 2 more minutes. Now the breadfruit curry is ready. Check salt and adjust if needed. Let's prepare the tempering. Heat 1.5 tablespoon coconut oil in a small pan. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and let them splutter. Add 2 dried red chilies and 1 sprig of curry leaves. Pour this tempering over the breadfruit curry. This is a delicious, traditional-style curry herbs, chapati or Kerala paratha. I hope you all enjoyed this easy recipe. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and share. If you're visiting this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and follow the page. I'll be back soon with another exciting recipe. Until then, bye-bye.